So, as we continue to learn about vibrato and get ready to really rock and roll, I'm going to show you the tissue paper slide. Now, you can use tissue paper, you can use like this. This is an actual piece of a tissue. Sorry to whoever has to use that. So this is just a little thing that's going to help us get moving in playing position. I don't even need my bow for this because really I'm just focusing on what it feels like to slide my fingers around. Now, this isn't exactly how vibrato works, but it definitely moves us in the right direction. This is a move that is related to vibrato. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the tissue under my fingertips, and then I'm putting my fingertips between two strings. If nothing else, this will help clean your instrument. All right, so I've put my fingertips in between right now the DNA strings. And then what I'm going to do is keep my thumb there. It's on the neck block again. And I'm going to let my magic X here travel this way toward the scroll. My fingers, because they're on a tissue, are just going to slide. This is a sneaky way of getting you to clean your instrument, you know that, right? So I'm going to go back and forth like this. Now, when we do vibrato, we don't slide our fingers around. That would sound awful. But what we are doing is we are learning how to move the magic X, and we're learning a little bit about the arm motion and the wrist motion involved. Later, we'll get the fingers stuck down. Plus, it'll be cleaner. You can move over and clean all your other strings. All right, this motion is going to be part of the vibrato motion, and you can move over. When you're on the highest strings, when you're over there, make sure your fingers are really nicely arched. All right. And where this is leading is, as we have learned that we're going to take away the tissue, and then we're going to zoom into one spot. All right. At that point, we're going to talk about a few other factors. But when we actually do vibrato, we'll stay on one spot. But this stage is a great way to start getting that motion and start feeling how freely you can move in playing position. All right, enjoy the tissue paper slide.